Okay guys, so for lunch I decided to prepare Golden Penny Semovita with ila alasepo. That is in Yoruba, but in English is okra with a lot of different things like meat, fish, blah 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 blah. I decided to make something heavy for lunch though, using the Golden Penny Semovita. So if you love cooking, this is also for you. All you have to do is upload the 2 minutes video of you preparing any Golden Penny product, and you stand a chance to win amazing gifts from 200k cash to 150, everything up to 2.5 million naira. And all you have to do is make sure you tag G Penny and Dare to Dream on all social media platforms. See you guys at dinner.